Cooking is more than just a daily task. It's a blend of art and science, and your tools matter. This Sensarte ceramic cookware set promises to transform your culinary experience with its non-stick, non-toxic, and induction-compatible features. Designed for modern kitchens, this 14-piece set offers versatility, safety, and ease of use. Let's dive deep into what makes this cookware a must-have for every kitchen. Unboxing the Sensarte ceramic cookware set. Upon unboxing, the Sensarte ceramic cookware set immediately impresses with its sleek design. The earthy tones, combined with the natural wood-grain Bakelite handles, give the set an aesthetic appeal that complements any kitchen decor. The set includes 8-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans, 12-inch sauté pan with lid, 5 Q2 capacity, 6.5 Q2 casserole with lid, 2 Q saucepan with lid, 2 multi-purpose utensils, 4 pot protectors. Each piece feels sturdy and well-made, thanks to its die-cast aluminum construction, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. Key features. 1. Healthy ceramic non-stick coating. This cookware set is free of PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, APEO, lead, and cadmium. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, Sensarte uses a ceramic coating that ensures toxins don't leach into your food, making it a healthier option for your family. The naturally non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless. Whether you're frying eggs or simmering sauces, food slides right off, requiring minimal oil. 2. Induction-compatible and even heating. The 4.8mm thick stainless steel bottom ensures compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The die-cast aluminum construction allows for quick and even heating, eliminating hot spots that can ruin delicate recipes. 3. Stay cool Bakelite handles. The ergonomic wood-grain Bakelite handles not only look stylish, but also remain cool during cooking, ensuring safe handling. 4. Transparent glass lids. The explosion-proof glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking without losing heat or moisture. They're perfect for slow cooking or steaming. 5. Eco-friendly design. The cookware is SGS approved and manufactured with sustainability in mind, reflecting Sensarte's commitment to eco-friendly products. Performance in the kitchen. Cooking with the Sensarte ceramic cookware set is a delight. The pans heat quickly and evenly, making it easy to achieve perfect sears and sautés. The non-stick coating is truly effective. Even sticky sauces and cheese-based recipes slide off effortlessly. The pots are spacious enough for family-sized meals, and the lids fit snugly to lock in flavors. The sauté pan's high sides make it ideal for one-pot dishes, from creamy risottos to hearty stews. Ease of cleaning. Cleaning cookware can be a chore, but Sensarte makes it easy. A simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse is often enough. While the set is hand wash recommended, this minor inconvenience is worth the effort to maintain the non-stick surface's longevity. Why choose Sensarte? Safety comes first. Many cookware brands still use coatings that release harmful fumes when overheated. Sensarte prioritizes your health with its toxin-free ceramic coating. Versatility. This 14-piece set covers all your cooking needs, from frying to slow cooking. The induction-compatible design means you can use it on any stovetop. Stylish and functional. The blend of style and functionality makes this set a standout. It's not just cookware, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. Pros and cons. Pros. Non-toxic and eco-friendly. Excellent non-stick performance, even heating with no hotspots. Stylish, ergonomic design, compatible with all stovetops. Cons. Not dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended, slightly pricier than basic cookware sets. Final verdict. The Sensarte ceramic cookware set delivers on its promises. It's safe, functional, and beautiful. A rare combination. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this set will elevate your cooking game. Investing in quality cookware is a step toward healthier eating and a more enjoyable cooking experience. With its impressive features and thoughtful design, the Sensarte 14-piece set is worth every penny. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.